welcome to another video, Street Ride. This is your boy Rick, and that stage 2 is loaded up. We're ready to go ahead and do this. I don't want to waste too much time, so let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a review on this stage 2 tune from 034 Motorsport. Today I'm happen to be running E85 in the vehicle, so if you guys want, I'll give you a review on the 93 octane, but I don't have that in there right now. Everything I'm going to be speaking on is going to be about E85. Let's go ahead and get started, all right? This is the review on the tune. So let's talk about two of the main things that we want to keep in mind when we get a car tuned. One is drivability. That's probably the most important part. When it's your daily driver, you don't want to have to deal with harsh conditions, you know, bad shift points, things that make the ride uncomfortable. You don't want to deal with that. You want your ride, you want your daily driver to still feel like something that you can commute long trips in. And 034 gets that right. When you are not pushing this car to its full potential, the car is very easy to drive, very easy to handle. I mean, Audis are just known for having cars that sometimes feel a little dead inside when it comes to the driving experience compared to other manufacturers. But what I will say is you keep that comfort. The reason why you got an Audi in the first place, you keep that with this tune. Now, once you decide to switch over to the other side, put it in dynamic mode, put it in sport transmission mode, and you start to give it some of your foot, the car comes alive. It's a different animal. I mean, it's really amazing how they're able to hide 500 plus almost 600 horsepower and over 600 foot-pounds of torque. Like it's almost amazing how they're able to hide that and make it feel so stock. Like it just feels like this is what the car was designed to come with, and that's super important. Because I like a comfortable car. If I want a track car, I'll have a track car. It won't have any seats. It won't have a spare. Probably no sound deadener. None of that stuff. So that's not what I'm really looking for. I'm looking for a car that I can drive daily and I can take it to the track. That's like a two-sided coin, right? But this definitely gives you that. The shift points, just like the stage 1. If you haven't seen my video on the stage 1 93 tune, you should watch that, because I pretty much going to go over some of the same things. The shift points are smooth. The acceleration feels linear. It feels like you know exactly how much percent throttle you're giving it. And at the same time, they're able to give you almost instant throttle response. No sluggishness there. It feels great. So ultimately, this car drives normal. It drives normal. It drives like it's supposed to drive. It's smooth. It just drives like you bought it off the dealership lot. You know, it feels good. I'm happy about that. Now, the second reason why we buy the tune is we want to feel the exhilaration of accelerating at a high rate of speed, right? So we want to feel that, and you're going to get that. You definitely got that with the stage 1 tune off the bat. The difference is night and day between stock and your stage 1 tune. That's pretty much the same for all the tuners out there. But with 034, they pride themselves on safety. Your temperatures, things not breaking, reliability. There's this misinformation out there where I guess you feel like if something is safe, then it can't be fast. That's actually complete opposite. Cars have been getting safer and safer, and they're getting faster and faster. So the two actually work together. This tune, when you're on it and you want that power, it's there, it's fast, it puts you in your seat. Like it, you know, I don't want to spend too much time talking about it. I'd rather show it. So the thing I can talk about is comfort, but the thing I'm going to show you is performance. Let's find ourselves a nice clear piece of road, and then we'll get some testing done. All right, so you've seen the run. I ran at 11.61, and I'll put the Dragy slip up as well. Still a little bit high on the DA, so you know you can only do so much with what you got. Ultimately, I need to work on my launching, but there is an improvement, as you can see, because I think before on E85, I think I ran an 11.7. Now, understand that when I ran that 11.7, it was after trying high DAs. You can look at the other videos and see that DA is not my friend in my area. Very humid, and it's summertime, very hot. I haven't had a 60-degree night in a while that I've been able to run, but nonetheless, still getting decent times, great times. Highly recommend you have a downpipe with the stage 2. Other than that, stage 1 isn't too far behind, so I would recommend either one, just depending on what your setup is. We have a pre-muffler delete getting shipped here. It's going to be here in a couple weeks, and then I have some inserts that I have to do. So still got some work to do and some places to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please support me on Patreon, follow me on Instagram, hit that subscribe here, and hit the like button for me. Leave a comment. You know, I'm always trying to answer as many as possible because I really do appreciate you guys. All right, peace.